In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a clean Miro board, organize your content into frames, and present it smoothly while recording your analysis. To begin, open Miro and start with a clean board. Keeping the board uncluttered from the start makes everything easier to follow later, especially if you're planning to present your ideas in a slide-like format. As you build the board, arrange your content in a clear sequence from one section to the next. The goal here is to guide your viewer through the information in a logical order. So think of each part of the board as one stage of the story you want to tell. Miro frames are especially useful for this because they let you divide your board into clean, structured sections that feel like individual slides. Once your layout is in place, start customizing each frame. This is where your presentation becomes more engaging and easier to understand. Add graphics where they support the message, and use mind maps if you want to show relationships between ideas or break down a topic visually. You can also include short, important bullet points to highlight key takeaways inside each frame. Try to keep the text concise and readable so the audience can quickly understand the main point without feeling overwhelmed. A clean visual balance between text and graphics will make your presentation feel more polished and professional. After your frames are arranged and styled, move into presentation mode in Miro. This feature is helpful because it instantly turns your board into a full screen presentation experience. Instead of manually zooming and moving around the board, presentation mode allows you to transition through your frames in a much smoother and more controlled way. This creates a better viewing experience and helps your presentation feel intentional and well prepared. Before recording, it's a good idea to click through the frames once to make sure the order is correct and that everything appears the way you want it to. Finally, screen record the Miro board while delivering your voiceover analysis. As you present, speak clearly and walk through each frame one at a time, explaining what the audience is seeing and why it matters. Keeping your pace steady will make the recording easier to follow, and it will also help your commentary match the visuals on screen. If possible, do a quick test recording first so you can check your audio quality and make sure the screen capture is working properly. When you follow this process, you'll end up with a clean, organized, and professional-looking Miro presentation that's ready to share.